Hi, I'm Ron of Ron's Trains and Things, and if you'd like to see more model railroad tips, tools, and techniques, then be sure and subscribe down below and click that little bell icon so you can catch future videos. Do you ever struggle with needing a little extra light while working on your layout, or maybe extra light for taking photographs or taking video of your layout? Well, I've got a solution that will help you with that problem but won't break the bank. And that solution is clamp lamps. You can buy these clamp lamps at hardware stores or pet supply stores for about $10 a piece. Now these were designed to be heat lamps, but you can put any kind of bulb inside of this to get the intensity and color of light that you desire. I have a couple of these, and I found that sometimes the light can be a little harsh, so I made my own homemade filters simply by taking the wire guard that comes with the clamp lamp and taping some waxed paper over the outside. This diffuses the light a little bit, softens it, makes it a little less intense, makes this a great work light. In fact, I used 2 of these as my entire lighting kit for the first 9 months of my Ron's Trains and Things video. So these can make some great lights for photography, for video, or just for working on your layout without spending a lot of money. This micro tip is brought to you by the Down and Dirty Weathering Contest. I hope you'll check out the videos in the Down and Dirty Weathering Contest. I'll include a link to that playlist in an end screen at the end of this video. The Down and Dirty Weathering Contest is going on through March 10th, so be sure and watch those videos. Well, if you enjoyed this micro tip, here's a link to some more tips that I know you'll enjoy as well. Also, give this video a thumbs up down below, and be sure and share it online wherever model railroaders hang out. Check out the description down below this video, where you'll find a link to my Amazon page, my Amazon Pick of the Week, as well as my Patreon page and ways that you can connect with me on various social media. Join me again next Tuesday as I'll be bringing you another model building segment, and I look forward to seeing you then. Lizzie?